The following is an analysis of During That Dream, measures 17 through 24. Measure 17. In this measure I use a descending bass line, E flat to D to C. Also in beats 3 and 4 of this measure we use quartuple harmony. Quartuple harmony is a superimposition of perfect fourths, creating an interesting breakup from the normal triadic harmony, tertian harmony. Measure number 18. Measure number 18, we use a chromatically ascending bass line, A flat, A natural to B flat. Also, the second beat of the 18th measure use an F7 flat 9 chord, which would be a secondary dominant of the B flat 7, a dominant of the dominant, a device that's often used in jazz harmony. Measure number 19 and 20. Measure 19 and 20 both utilize a descending bass line, B flat, so throughout those two measures, 19 and 20, we're going from B flat, not precisely chromatic, but a descent from B flat to the D natural in beat number 3 of measure number 20. Also in the last beat of measure number 20, we use a B flat 7 flat 9 plus 11 arpeggio as a filler, a connective link to the next measure. So that connective link was. Also within that measure, in beat number 2 of measure number 20, I used an E 7th chord, which would be sort of a tritone substitution of the next chord that follows, a B flat 7 flat 9 chord. So the passage was an F minor 7th chord with an 11th in the soprano, and then the E dominant 7th chord, and then the B flat 7 flat 9 chord. Measure number 21. Now measure number 21, we have a breakup of the normal 4-part harmony and reduction to a 2-part texture, 2-part counterpoint. We have a descending bass line, chromatic in nature, and this continues in measure 22, which follows. So you notice the bass line that we started in measure 21 in the 2-part texture is continued in measure 22. But in measure number 22, the second beat, we resume the 4-part texture. So the inclusion of the 2-part contrapuntal texture is an interesting breakup from constant 4-part texture. Measure number 23. Measure number 23, we're using a 4-part texture again, and the last beat of that measure, a D7 arpeggio, descending 3 octaves actually, from this D to that D. Measure number 24. Okay, and in this particular measure we have a chromatically ascending bass line, F to F sharp to G, and then a leap down to the D note. Thank you for your attention.